Today I'll be teaching you second theorem under maths. Now this topic is a very interesting topic. This topic, you will need the theorems to solve this topic. Without the theorems, you can't solve the topic. So I'll be introducing some theorems for you. For today, I'll only introduce 2 theorems. Now the theorem used to solve this problem is that any angle formed from the diameter of a circle is equals to 90 degrees. This is a diameter. What's a diameter? A diameter is a line that divides a circle into 2 equal parts. A line that divides a circle into 2 equal parts. This diagram might not be drawn to scale, but this is the diameter. As far as you can see the center here, it divides the circle into 2 equal parts. So the theorem says that any angle that is formed from the diameter of a circle is what? 90. So this angle here is what? 90. This angle here is 90. And the reason why I don't write 90, there's a sign for 90 degrees. And which is this sign? Just like this. This is the sign for 90. So how do we find x? Sum of angle in a triangle is equals to 180. This plus this equals to what? 180. 90 plus 40 plus x is equals to what? 180. This plus this is what? 130 plus x is equals to what? 180. So x is equals to 180 minus 130. X is equals to what? 50 degrees. As simple as that. You just know the theorems. Without the theorems, you can't solve. So I want you to solve for when here is 60 degrees. So let's move on to the second question. Wow, this is a very interesting question. It's a mind-blowing question. You can see there are 2 triangles here. It's a bigger one and a smaller one. There's a theorem that says that angle at the center is equals to 2 times angle at the circumference. Which I can say, what's the angle at the center? X. So I can say x is equals to 2 times. What's the angle at the circumference? Y. Now, what's the relationship between x and what? Y. So now, how do we find x? How do we find y? A line that runs from the center of a circle to the circumference is called what? A radius. A line that runs from the center of a circle to the circumference is called what? A radius. That means these 2 places are what? Equal. In a circle, we cannot have more than 1 radius. That's why I say these 2 sides are what? Equal. And this, we can call this an what? An isosceles triangle. So the angle facing here is equals to the angle facing here. So if here is